friends. Today we're going to draw a cartoon blueberry.
Yeah, a really funny, cute cartoon blueberry. We hope you're going to follow along. You need your drawing supplies and some paper and
Something to color with.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw the shape of our blueberry. We're going to draw a circle shape, but we're going to leave the top open. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw it coming around like this. And when we get to about here, we'll stop and leave it open so that we can draw. It kind of looks like blueberries have crowns.
Yeah.
Part of the blueberry sticks out. Awesome. And you can maybe even get a little closer on to the middle. Yes. Okay, now let's draw. We're going to draw a zigzag line. We're going to come up like this, come back down, up, down, and maybe one more. We'll come back up. Yeah. Then we can also draw another zigzag line. We're going to come down lower, and we try to make this almost look like a circle. So we're going to come up, down, back up, and connect over to the other side. Yeah, and then right here in the middle, we can draw a little oval shape. And that's it. That's our blueberry. It's really simple. But let's also add more things. Let's add a leaf. We're going to draw one sticking out to the side. So I'm going to draw it right here. This is the center of the leaf. Then we're going to draw the outside shape of the leaf. I'm going to come up like this, and when I get really close to the end, I'm going to come back in and back out. And then we can come down for the rest of the leaf. Yeah. Good job. That's awesome. Oh, let's add a funny face to our blueberry. I'm going to draw the mouth, and you could change your face any way that you want. I'm going to draw it kind of happy, so we need to draw it really open. Then let's draw the tongue. I'm going to draw a little curve inside. And then we can draw the eyes next. I'm going to draw a little circle here on the left and also a circle on the right to match. And you can make the eyes even bigger if you want. But I'm going to leave them just like this. Oh, I love how big you made your eyes. I'm going to also add the little highlight in the top left to make the eyes look even shinier. And then we can color in the big circle, but leave the little circles white. We did it. We finished drawing our funny blueberries. Yours is especially funny because of how big the eyes are. That's awesome. I love that our two drawings are exactly the same. They both turn out awesome, except we're not completely done.
Still need to color it.
Yes, my favorite part. We will speed things up, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
Jack, our blueberries turned out perfect. I especially love yours.
It's massive.
Yours is always my favorite. Now, you guys can pause the video right now to match our same coloring. We added shading and highlights to our blueberries to make them look more 3D, but you could also leave that off to keep the lesson a little easier. Just color it solid blue and also the leaves solid green. If you have our same Art for Kids Hub marker set, the colors that we used were 76 blue, that's the lighter blue, and we colored the whole thing solid first. And then we layered a little shadow around the edge with a darker blue, number 62.
Then we used 76 again to blend the dark blue.
Yeah, to make it look softer. Then we also used a white colored pencil to add highlights and also CG1 to add a little shadow underneath the blueberry.
We hope you have fun drawing a cartoon blueberry with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.